Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing hair video again. I'm just going to show you how you can actually do your own hair, save money, save time, and of course look pretty. Let's go. Alright, so we are just getting right into the video. So this is all my hair. I took out the bun that I did the other time, and I am actually doing this hair. So yeah, the bun that I did the other time, I took it out and made a twist like this. The way that you're seeing is the same extension that I used to achieve that bun. I just took it out and just try to be a little bit creative with it, twisted the hair. So what I did is just to use a normal thread to tie from one end of a chair to another to kind of put this in a twist one by one, the way that it is like this. So again, on this day I was filming and I was live as well, so forgive me if I'm looking up and down. Again, we are just using the tools that we already have, so it's not something that I probably have to go and buy products for. Yeah, I have gel from the previous one. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So I just took out my hair. I was feeling good. Yeah, I needed to scratch that hair, guys. All right, then I moved into moisturize my hair to add moisture with a spray bottle. Just water in a spray bottle to spray my hair so that I can have control of how much moist I need, and of course where I want it to be. So that's why I was actually put it in a spray bottle. So this time around I decided that I want to drench myself a bit more than I did the other time, but more especially the front part, because I really want to plant that part slicked down. Yeah, so I just went in and just adding more moisture, went in with this brush and brushed my hair to perfection. I think so today we are doing a low bun. I'm not doing anything high because for a change. So that's why I'm combing my hair all the way down. So I just did this, then I moved in with a comb, and of course you want to use all the products or all the tools that you have. Then today I'm going for a side part, not like my thing. I don't really like side part, I'm not even gonna lie, but these days I'm pushing myself to do more, to do things that I originally would not like. But then again, I have a pretty face, so everything just sort of looks good on me. I'm not even going to lie. Of course, I brought in some hair for baby hairs later. You know how we do this. So again, I'm not feeling this side part, I'm not even going to lie, but I said, okay, let me just do this for a change. Right, so I went in and of course I started to add my edge control, to slick it down a little bit more. Yeah, I think this is the part of side part I don't like. This other part is bigger, so I don't really like. So yeah, okay, let's move on. Okay, so today I have a black rubber band, so I just used it to firm the hair for the first time. And at this point it was coming together, I guess, or not. Yeah, okay, so let's just continue. So I firmed my hair like this, and then I brought it out. I just had to turn so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So my hair is breaking, y'all. Like, look at that. I don't know why, but so I just had to braid my hair like this, the way that I'm doing, just like this a little bit, yeah, something like that. See, child, I'm so talented, I'm not even going to lie. So I am talented, look at me now. Okay, so yeah, I just went in to tuck that in with some amazing ingredient. Yeah, I'm using something like that just to ensure that I tuck it in. It's actually my husband's too. He's gonna kill me if he sees me doing this. So yeah, so I just went ahead to add the gel now to achieve the slickiness that I want for my hair. Again, I don't like side parts. Do you guys think it suits my face? Like, I don't know, I'm so used to center, or I'm not doing any part at all. So but nowadays I just want to push myself hard. So yeah, so I just went ahead to, just do my touches the way that I'm doing. So, and at this point I really got uncomfortable. I thought it was a bad idea for me to even do this part at all, but then I saw this more. So I went all and took out the twist. So that's what I'm actually doing. That's the twist here. So I took out the twist the way that I'm doing so, and then I wanted to separate it in a way that I have like a fuller bounce, but child, I regretted that decision because I didn't like the outcome, and I'm like, is this even worth it? So fun fact, I've not seen this hair done anywhere. This was just an idea that jumped on me, let me say that. And I'm like, okay, this part is not gonna work. I promise you it's not gonna work. So I started to struggle here, and that was when I knew that idea was dead on arrival. And I said, okay, let's just twist it out and leave it like that. So I just continued to twist, to lose out the twist rather, and gradually, one after the other. This was actually one job that I didn't know that I took, right? So if you're going to be trying this, please, I would advise that you twist this out when you're not even ready to do the hair, because this took a little bit more time than necessary. Remember, we're trying to save time here, so I started to twist it out one by one the way that I'm doing so. And okay, so I'm almost at the end at this time. I think this is the final strand at this point, so I just took it out and went ahead to just, I don't know. So at this point I was already not feeling good again about this hair, but I mean, we started, I have to continue. So because it was really stressful to take out this twist, so yeah, I think that's the only part that stressed me. But then I've learned, if I'm going to ever do this style again, I'm going to twist it out on a day that I'm not even going to use it, right? So of course I divided it into two, and I fixed that at the back of my hair the way that I'm doing so, just the way that we did in the previous video, to attach it like this, and then boom, I just yeah, I don't know. So yeah, it's just there. So at this point again, I don't know if I like this hair. I don't know if this was a good idea for me to even start with. So what I did was to just take one strand of the hair to kind of roll over the rest of the hair, so that you can have can create like a secure something like that, yeah, to just hold it so that it's not jumping around and opening up for you to see that little bun at the back of my hair. So yeah, that's just about it for this hair, and I brought it, I don't even know if I like it. Do you guys think this is cool? Do you guys think this is what? Is this something that you want to try someday? I went ahead to do my baby hair, of course, and to see if I would actually like it. Maybe that's why I'm not feeling it. So I just went ahead to do it like this, and yeah, that's just about it. And even watching it right now, I don't think I like it. It's either is the side parts that I'm actually do not like, or it's just the entire hair didn't come off the way that I expected, or maybe there's something in my mind that I didn't get. But all in all, I think I'm gonna make it work. By the time I pop some makeup on, this is gonna be great. That's one thing about makeup. Yeah, it makes everything look up together, but then I don't think I like it. But it is what it is. We have done it, and it's a neat hair, so we have actually done it. So comment below if you love this hair, and please, now is the time to subscribe to my channel if you have not. Please like my video and drop me a comment. Let me know that I am trying. This is what the hair looks like when I move backwards, and it is what it is. I'm not even going to lie. So you know what, I felt really unmotivated at the end of this hair, and I didn't do makeup on this day. I didn't. I just packed up my makeup product. I was planning to do a hair and makeup video, but then that idea crashed immediately. I saw the outcome of the hair, and I'm like, you know we're good. I'm good here. So I just went ahead to put like a lip balm. It's a lip balm. Yeah, I think so. So, and that's just about it. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and please give me a like and please subscribe. I love you.